Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something coming in from Vero Engineering. I'm really excited about this. Gift to the channel from Vero Engineering to help celebrate our big upcoming milestones. I don't know if this is going to be 8K, 9K, or the big 10K that we're going to be planning for. But definitely something cool I want to check out. I definitely want to try. I want to show you what it's all about and kind of use it a little bit and give my review and experience on there. But let's take a look at this together. All right, today I'm opening up my box from Vero with my Vero Lux, my Mini 3.3 hollow grind made by Riot. Love this little guy. Such a nice little knife. All right, let's get into this box. Ooh, what do we have here? Nice little, oh, got a patch. That's gonna be nice for the giveaway, I think. What is this? What in the world is this? Ooh, the bit tool. That is cool. We're gonna take a look at that in a second as well. All right, we've got an accessory here. Ooh, got a lanyard, a stinking cool lanyard. Might have to put that on a knife or something, right? Oh, we got a patch. So I may keep one of the patches because I actually do have a little place for patches, just so you know, right? And then what do we have here? We have a little tray, and then we have, not sure what this is. Ooh, these are little guys came off. Okay. All right, let's put these back on. Looks like this little tray came off there. Probably the heat or something. Okay. I wonder if there's something missing here. All right, we're gonna hold on to this, and we may have a second part video that I'll append to this because I'm not sure. Maybe this was it, and if it is, very cool. Appreciate the giveaway too. This right here is, I'm not exactly sure what this is. Let's take a look. Maybe this is it. Maybe this is the tool that goes to. I don't know. Okay, maybe this is it. All right, I thought it was that really fancy spin one. Oh, okay. I misunderstood what they were sending. Very cool. Okay, this is cool. All right, so this is a nice little portable tool. Nice little clip there. I mean, you definitely have to take that off, but it looks like you can use this. So what do we have here? We have a T8 right there. What else do we have? We have a T6, and we have a Phillips, and then we have a flathead. Okay, so interesting, very cool. Very, very interesting little setup there. Definitely cool. All right, so what that does, it kind of clips to this. This looks like it's also a pry bar, so it's like a mini pry bar, but it can also be a little kind of a keychain. So you hang it to your keychain, you hang that together. So that's what that is. All right, so let's see what this is. So likely, I misunderstood. This will likely be part of our 8K giveaway. It's definitely, I guess they have very different versions, right? I don't know. Vero Engineering? Vero? I'm not sure what that says. GS or something, I guess. I don't know. And then you've got a little lanyard loop here kind of thing, I guess you could put on. So a nice little titanium lanyard loop. I'm assuming that goes on a knife or something. So we'll have to see what this stuff is, but definitely some cool stuff, right? Some patches, a nice big patch here, and a cool little tray. You could probably put all of the different little things into, which is nice. So, and of course you have a little stuff. So this will definitely be part of a little bling package for sure. This will probably definitely be for the 8K. So my mistake, but very cool, and thank you to Vero Engineering. There's still something I want to buy from them, and I'm gonna try to see when it becomes available because I want to get a certain tool that they won at Blade Show, an award they won for it, and I would like to get that tool as well because that's the one I actually wanted to buy and check out, but I think I misunderstood, and I was probably Probably a little overexcited, thinking that maybe they had said that, and I mean, that's a big thing to give, right? I get it. That's rather huge. I was mistaken, and that's definitely something I'll be buying, right? For sure. But very, very cool. I like the patch. I want to put that on with my other patches for sure. But all the other stuff here is definitely going to be part of the giveaway. I'm not exactly sure if that's, maybe it's called the JVGS or something. Maybe that's the tool. Is that what this is? JVGS? Definitely looks like this is 3D printed for sure. So, and this is cool titanium right here. Looks like that comes apart, but your screws go in there, so very cool. So it is like a little multi-tool, right? It's not the tool that I thought it was, but it's definitely a cool little portable tool. So this will be a fun little accessory for the giveaway. So I'm going to assume that perhaps all this stuff goes in here, and that's how that works. So yeah, there we go. All right, well, big thank you to Vero Engineering. I appreciate you guys so very much for the generosity and the kindness and allowing this to be a part of the giveaway to help celebrate. I'm definitely honored. I definitely want to still buy your big tool, the one you won the award at Texas Blade Show Texas for. So I definitely want to get that. I'm going to keep an eye out for that and try to buy it. So we'll do that. But big thank you to Vero Engineering for everything here. Very excited. Love the patches. Love the stickers. More stickers to give away. Love the little lanyard bead. That's really cool. And a little multi-tool with the screws, with the bits in there. So let's just put that there. Just kind of highlight that. And then the lanyard that goes on there. I think that's really cool. All right. Thank you guys. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button down below. Subscribing and liking the videos really helps me out. It allows me to do more things, check out more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So a big thank you to you guys out there for supporting the channel, being part of this, supporting the live streams. Thank you. A big, huge thank you. Yeah, so if you haven't already, check out, also hit my brain just got distracted because my kids just came home from school, so sorry. Check out click on the link for the notification link as well, so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. Appreciate you guys subscribing and liking the videos. Thank you. Thank you guys. Also, big shout out to my channel members. Appreciate you guys. You guys do two important things for me. You encourage me when I need it because I do this part-time. So thank you. Thank you for being there. Being my workout buddy. I love doing this and you help me keep loving it. So I appreciate that. And the other thing is because your generosity support with your memberships, you allow me to do some awesome things. You allow me to check out things earlier, allow me to work with awesome vendors and manufacturers and makers and designers like Vero Engineering to check out some of their stuff and you know, to grow. The channel grows and we're allowed to review and look at really, really cool stuff thanks to you guys. You also allow me to continue to do the weekly giveaways, which I am so grateful for, because otherwise I wouldn't be able to cover the cost checking out some of the knives. Sometimes I get loaners and pass-arounds and they cost money to ship. It does. And to do weekly giveaways, it costs. So I appreciate you channel members big time. So just know that. I appreciate you. So I do two things exclusively for my channel members. I do a once-a-month members exclusive giveaway, definitely above the budget banger that we do every week. That's an addition to, right? That's for channel members exclusively. And then the other thing is I make sure all brand new channel members get a channel sticker and a little thank you note. So let me know if you're a brand new channel member, you've never gotten a channel sticker, never asked for a note, or never asked for a sticker, never received one. Email me with your name and address. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. And yeah, that actually applies to anybody else. If you've never gotten a channel sticker, never asked for one, and you're actively a member right now, whether you've been a member all along, were a member and became a member again, email me as well. Name and address. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. That's my way to say thank you. All right, appreciate you guys. If you haven't already, maybe also check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.